Hello everyone and welcome to Think Diecast. My today's video will help you identify the real and the fake Hot Wheels cars which are there in the market. As you can see that I have got two bat pods with me. One is real and one is fake. So let's find out how to differentiate between the two. I have two bat pods. So first I will be taking this card. Yes, this is a fake card. Starting from the top, the logo, it says Hot Wheel, whereas the original one says Hot Wheels. So first differentiation is this one. Second, if you see the card color, you will notice that this is a lighter shade of blue and this one is a little on the darker side. Same way, the Batman in this one and the Batman in this one, the color variation. This one has written super speed car. We all know that this is the bat pod, which is written here on the real card, bat pod. On the side it's written Hot Wheels City, whereas in this one it's written Batman car. Now we look at the blister. If you see the blister on the real one, exactly in the shape the bat pod is, whereas in this one is just a rectangular blister. Now if we look at the bat pod, the real one is pretty much detailed. If you see the colors, the detailing on the bat pod. Now if we take a fake one, you'll see the shiny chrome thing, and it is not as much detailed as a real one is. You see all these lines, these are not much detailed. Shiny chrome on the top, whereas this one is matte. The color on the guns or the axle, it is not there in the fake one. Now we see the back of the card. The real one is this, with all the details. Hot Wheels City, Batman, whereas the fake one, it's all colorful. Made in China. So you can easily differentiate between the two. I will show you some more examples of the fake one. This is the fake one, Hot Wheel. This is the tumbler, and if you see, they have actually made the tumbler into a stretch limo kind of thing. A written super speed car. Again here Batman car. It looks like a stretch limo to me, or we call it a stretch Batmobile. Same card art as the earlier one. Made in China. Let's take one more. I've got these two Ferraris. Again, if you see, this is the other version of the fake cards. Now they have written Hot Speed. This is Ferrari 458 Italia, the red version, and the black one, HS Race. And the back of the cards are more or less similar to the Hot Wheels which comes, but you can easily differentiate because the quality of the card is very poor. Also, if you see at the bottom, there is nothing written. As per the Hot Wheels car, you will see Hot Wheels logo at the bottom with the car name and where it is made. These has screws, whereas Hot Wheels have rivets. Same in this case. Screws at the bottom. And we all know that now Hot Wheels doesn't have any license to make Ferraris, so one can easily make out that these are fake cards. So all the collectors out there, beware when you're buying in the market. And I hope this video will give you clarity on which one is fake and which one is real. And I would like to thank my friend Nanda Kishore for sending me these fake ones. I'm sure this will help all the collectors to identify the real and the fake cars. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Think Diecast.